After shampooing and conditioning, I use the Red by Kiss Argan Heat Protecting Spray to protect the hair strands and eliminate frizz. Always make sure you blow out your hair with the blow dryer before you start styling. I use the Red by Kiss handleless dryer to blow the hair completely straight. To create these amazing curls, I wrapped a section of hair completely around the barrel of the Red by Kiss silicone flat iron and allowed the heat to set the curl. I slowly released the curl from the flat iron, then continued the process throughout the head. Once the curls were completed, I used my fingers to separate the curls and finish off the look.